how to withdraw money from Bitget wallet to my bank account on PC. Now in this case you can't withdraw your money from your Bitget wallet to your bank account directly. So in this case what we need to do, so we need to transfer the token that we have funds on to our Bitget, and then we can withdraw it to our bank account. So in this case, for example, I will use USDT. So first of all, what you need to do, just go to Bitget account and head over to wallet and now click on deposit. And now after that, select the token that you want to receive on your Bitget account. For this example, it will be USDT. Now after that, you can select the network. In this case, it will be Bit20. Now after that, you can copy your withdrawal address and click on OK. Now go to your Bitget wallet to transfer the USDT. And after that, select the BNB chain network because we selected here. After that, select USDT. Now click on send and you can paste it here in the receiving address. Now set the amount that you want to transfer and click on next. In a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your USDT on your Bitget account. Now after that, we can now withdraw it to our bank account. So how to do that? Now head over to buy crypto. Now click on P2P trading. Now after that, click on sell option because we want to withdraw money. So after we receive our USDT from our Bitget wallet, now you can now withdraw to your bank account. So how to do that? Select sell, click on sell, select the token, in this case it will be USDT. Now select your currency that you want to withdraw your money to. For this example, I will use USD. Now after that, as you can see, set the amount that you want to sell, and here you can select your bank account. So after you select your bank account, in this case I will use the Cash App. So after that, select one of these providers. So after select one of these providers, click on sell next to it and now click on confirm. So here you will be able to type how much you want to sell, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive on your currency. After that, click on add payment method. Now here, as you can see here, select the Zelle again, or Cash App, sorry, that I selected before. Now after that, type the cash tag on your that you have on your bank account. If you want to provide your email, you can. If you can, if you don't, it's your choice because we don't have the red star here. It's optional. After that, click on save and use, and now click on sell USDT. In about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your money on your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget wallet to bank account on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.